Hello and welcome to Instant Nerd. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Windows 11 black screen after update. If this video helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. For the first step, you need to get into Advanced Startup screen. To do that, turn off your computer using the power button, turn it back on, then immediately turn it off again. Repeat this process 3 times. After that, your PC should say it didn't start correctly. Click on Advanced Options. Now, once you're in the advanced options, here are a few methods to try. Click on Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, select Startup Repair. If you don't see it, click on See More Recovery Options. It should be down here and it should appear. Let Windows diagnose and fix the problem for you. Method 2. If a Startup Repair didn't work, click on Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options and then System Restore. If you have a restore point, go ahead and restore it. If you don't, click Cancel. Method 3. Click Troubleshoot and then Advanced Options. Click Uninstall Updates and then uninstall latest feature updates. See if this fixes your issue. Once your PC turns back on again, it should be fixed. This is for today's tutorial. If this video was helpful, then don't forget to subscribe and like this video.